Hello guys, this is Gabor from LVGL. We recorded a video series for you to show all the great stuff that we have in LVGL Pro version 2. It includes AI integration, Figma integration, a completely new editor, and many more. Let's take a quick look. So this is the new editor. If it looks familiar, it's not a coincidence because it's built on a VS Code-like foundation with the same shortcuts, same file tree, same Git integration, same package management. So if you know VS Code, it will be very familiar for you. If you want to speed up your work, just open a new terminal, start Cloud, and enable it to use our MCP server. It knows all the LVGL Open and LVGL Pro documentation, all the XML syntax, all the C syntax, and all the features, so what it will generate will fit to the actual syntax for sure. However, the screen that you can see here doesn't require any AI assistant. It was generated from Figma with a single click. This is the design that we have. And all I needed to do is selecting all 4 screens, clicking the Export Selected Screens button, and I got all the screens here with working navigation and interactive widgets. Now we can also show you a lot of information about the memory usage of the assets that you have. Here you can see that all the assets in this project requires 3.1 megabytes of memory. You can see each individual image sizes and below the font sizes as well. If you add the memory target, like this, go back, assign your images to that memory, and now you see how that memory is utilized, and also the access time of each widget considering the bandwidth that you set. You will also like our new business model. If you go to the pricing page on our website, you can see that we have a free community version for makers and personal projects. We have a growth tier for startups. We have a product tier where you can evaluate for free, and we have a platform license for large-scale companies. It was just a quick overview of the features. Keep watching to check out all the features that we have built into LVGL Pro version 2.